Good day, I'm Army Dabukat, batch 4. Today, I will show you steps in performing proper hand washing. The preliminary procedure is to remove all jewelries or any accessories in your hands like watch, bracelet, or ring. Then inspect if you have bruises or cuts your hand. Then approach the sink. Make sure that your body does not come in contact with sink because it may contaminate the clothes that you are wearing. You may now open the faucet and regulate flow and temperature of the water. Then wet your hands and get a small amount of liquid soap and lather it. Don't turn off the faucet, just keep the water running while doing the procedure. And follow the 7 steps of hand washing. Start with palm to palm. Second is palm over dorsum. Third is fingers interlace. Fourth is finger interlock. Fifth is palm gloves over thumb. Sixth is fingertips rotation. And lastly, the wrist scrubbing. After scrubbing your hands, rinse your hand in the running water. Just let the water in your hand and fingers. After rinsing, dry your hands with paper towel. Close the faucet, then using the same paper towel. Lastly, don't forget to dispose the used paper towel in a yellow trash